Hi, welcome to Kitchen Revelations. Today's recipe is jackfruit seeds milkshake. Jackfruit seeds are highly nutritious. They are good for your hair, eyesight, they cure indigestion, help in preventing anemia and wrinkles on your skin. You can make a lot of recipes out of jackfruit seeds. You can simply roast them or boil and mash them and convert them into cutlets or halwa or a simple curry. Today we are going to make a milkshake out of it, so let's quickly learn the recipe. So I've taken here around 20 to 25 jackfruit seeds. These are raw jackfruit seeds. Using a knife, peel off the outermost white covering of these seeds. So this is how the seed will look after peeling off the white skin. Similarly, de-skin remaining seeds. So here I have finished peeling off the hard white skin of all the seeds. Next, let's wash the seeds and clean dirt if any. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Next, I'm going to take a pressure cooker. Now add the washed and cleaned seeds into this pressure cooker. Add 1 to 2 glasses of water and pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles or till the seeds turn soft and mushy. So now we have finished cooking and our cooker has also cooled down. Now transfer the seeds into another bowl using a strainer. Next, you need to peel off this brown outer covering which can be seen on this seed. Since it is cooked well, you can easily peel it off using your hands. You can make milkshake out of these seeds at this stage, but for a creamy white texture, I am removing off the brown skin. So here I finished peeling off the brown skin. Next, transfer the seeds into a blender jar. Add some boiled and cold milk and a little bit of sugar and blend it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Instead of sugar, you can also add natural sweeteners like bananas, honey or dates. This milkshake tastes similar to almond milkshake, so you can use it as a base for dry fruit milkshake as well. I hope you liked this tip and also this video. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.